Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable to organize your genealogy research. First up, let's create a new base. Select Add a Base and choose Start from Scratch. This step is crucial because you're laying the foundation for your research. Now that we've done that, let's create tables for different categories. You might want a table for ancestors, locations, dates, and so on. This helps us because it keeps your information sorted and easily accessible. After your tables are set, let's fill them with records. Click on Add Record and input the necessary details. The reason we do this is to populate our tables with the data we have, making it easier to see connections and patterns. Next up, let's link related records. For instance, an ancestor could be linked to a specific location. To do this, you create a link to another record field. This step is important because it allows you to see the relationships between different pieces of data. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you link records, Airtable is creating a relational database, making your research more interconnected and organized. Last but not least, let's use views. Views allow you to filter, group, and sort your data to your preference. For example, you could have a view showing all ancestors born in a specific location. To set this up, click on Add View. This helps us because it allows us to see our data from different angles, aiding our research process. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Airtable for your genealogy research. This tool can truly transform how you handle your data, making your research a more organized and enjoyable process. Thank you for joining us today, and happy researching.